Hello kids, let's learn counting in the zoo. How many pandas? 7 pandas. How many tigers? 10 tigers. How many gorillas? 8 gorillas. How many giraffes? 11 giraffes. How many lemurs? 12 lemurs. How many elephants? 18 elephants. How many parrots? How many parrots? How many snakes? 15 snakes. How many koalas? 9 koalas. How many lions? 20 lions.